Hi, I'm Sarah from Winchester Science Centre, and in this week's Science Sizzle, we're going to be looking at the properties of bubbles. Brilliant. So you'll need to find somewhere where you can make a little bit of mess, and let's crack on. The first thing we're going to do is actually try and build some sort of frame. So you might have something from an old bubble set lying around, something like this, but ideally we'd also like to test some 3D shapes, something that looks maybe like this. It'd be much more fun if we make our own. So for this part, if you can raid your house and see if you can find anything like pipe cleaners, wooden sticks, some old Kinects, even Lego, or what I'm going to do is use some sticks that I've found from the yard. I've collected what I need, so let's crack on with the build. So I've got 3 shorter sticks and 1 longer one, and I've got plenty of twine. And all I'm going to do is cut a little bit of this string and start tying them together to make a square shape. And there we go. So this one's ready for testing, but we'd love to see what else you can come up with. Try cubes, try triangles, any different shape that you can make, and we'll test them later on.